for the following locations. In Colorado, the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park in Nederland and Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range. High wind watch in effect from late Monday night through Tuesday evening. West winds 30 to 45 miles per hour with gusts 75 to 80 miles per hour possible. Strongest winds will be north of I-70. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks, and the Northern Front Range foothills. When? From late Monday night through Tuesday evening. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. Patchy blowing snow will also be possible across the higher elevations, reducing visibility. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates.